8 beauty hacks using olive oil every girl should try. We all know that olive oil can do wonders in the kitchen, creating gentle fried dishes and flavorful salads, but how about using this fragrant oil in your beauty routine? Olive oil is one of the greatest moisturizers you'll ever find, and it doesn't contain any additives or chemicals whatsoever. You can use it for hand creams, hair masks, face treatments, and even to detoxify your whole body. Here are 8 amazing ways olive oil can boost your beauty. 1. Hair mask. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which means it can boost your hair growth while giving it a healthy glow and lots of needed moisture. While our scalps produce enough oil, our hair ends usually become too dry due to the use of hair products and chemical shampoos. Mix a bit of olive oil with some honey for an extra boost of health and apply to your hair before washing it. Leave it for 30 to 60 minutes or for the whole night. Wash and rinse your hair as usual. Your locks will look striking. 2. Oil for bath. If you like taking a hot bath from time to time to relax and leave all your worries behind, then try adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil instead of some bubbly chemicals. You can throw in 7 drops of your favorite essential oil for an extra relaxing effect. Your skin will become smooth like silk after this procedure. 3. Face cleanse. Who could have thought that good old extra virgin olive oil could be used to cleanse your face? But this is true. It works wonders for your skin and removes all the impurities that might have gotten on it during the day. Fill your palm with olive oil, wait till it warms up a bit, and gently rub it into your skin for about 30 seconds. Massage your face a little bit as it will also relieve stress and relax your muscles. Take a washcloth and put it into hot water, then apply to your face and wait for it to cool off. This will open up your pores for the oil to work its magic. Then carefully remove whatever oil is left on your skin, and you're good to go. 4. Oil pulling. Oil pulling may seem a bit weird at first, but please note that it is an ancient Ayurvedic treatment, and back in the day people really did know how to use natural oils the best way possible. The idea is to take a few tablespoons of olive oil, or any other natural oil for that matter, and swish it in your mouth for around 20 minutes. While that seems a bit too much, you can start with a lesser amount of oil and do it for a shorter amount of time. This easy procedure will clean the bacteria in your mouth, whiten your teeth, all the while flushing out toxins from your entire body. It's important to spit out the oil after you finish the procedure and clean your teeth. 5. Remove makeup. It may sound a bit crazy, but olive oil is perfect for makeup removal. It's gentle, natural, and very good at its job. Just soak a cotton ball in olive oil and use it as your regular makeup removal product. It will carefully cleanse your skin, all the while nourishing and moisturizing it. It improves skin's elasticity and is perfect for aging skin. You can also clean your makeup brushes with a mixture of liquid soap and olive oil. Just pour some of this mix in a glass and swirl your brushes until they are fully soaked. Then rinse them with water until clean. 6. Face mask. Naturally, olive oil makes a perfect base for all kinds of face masks. Dry aging skin benefits greatly from olive oil, especially mixed with other health boosters. Mix olive oil with mashed avocado for an immediate beauty boost. Antioxidants in olive oil prevent aging, while avocado is packed with healthy fatty acids that will make your skin all smooth and beautiful. Apply the mask on slightly wet face for it to work better. Mix honey, olive oil, and a tablespoon of salt for a perfect exfoliator that will also heal and hydrate your skin. 7. Massage oil. If you practice self-massage or simply like to perform it on others, then olive oil can become your perfect instrument. It's easily mixed with other oils and essential oils for aromatherapy and an extra beauty boost. With its anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is a perfect remedy for the skin all over your body. It also has polyphenols and vitamin E, which is essential to skin's health. 8. Heal your heels. Dry, cracked heels are a pain to deal with, and if you've ever experienced this, you know that it's not that easy to get them back to normal. There are different ointments you can find in a drugstore, but if you want to try a more natural approach, then simply use olive oil. Rub some olive oil on your feet, and be generous with it as you'll need all the extra moisture to heal your heels. Put on warm socks so the oil doesn't get on your bed sheets and go to sleep like that. Do this treatment for as long as you like until your heels are back to normal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.